Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 11th of October. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. What we will see is that the Aussie dollar hit the resistance of the 200 week moving average, couldn't break through, it's drifted off. It's lost its upside momentum, and the daily and the 4 hour now look vulnerable charts. Let's look at those charts. So here we are on the weekly, and you can see that the 200 week moving average, which is this red line, caused resistance a couple of weeks ago and has pushed the Aussie dollar back down. We have got support coming in from the rising 20 week at 86.72 and the rising 50 week 85.4. The other thing to notice on this chart, the RSI does seem to be creating a downtrend, but it is above 50. Still at 54.69, and the MACD again showing this loss of upside momentum as they drift down, and in fact the short term has just gone below the long term, although you can't see it on the chart. The short term is 0.945 and the long term 0.9899, but they are both still above zero. Likewise, the RSI is still above 50. Moving on to the daily picture, and here you can see that the 20-day and the 50-day are now rolling back down. The 50-day is giving immediate resistance to any upside. That's at 87.61 and is immediately pushing down on the Aussie dollar. You can see momentum has been lost here. We're below 50 on the RSI, 41.75, and the MACD short term has just gone below zero as well. They're tracking down, indicative of downside momentum. On the 4 hour, the picture again looks negative. The moving averages are the 20 and 50 are moving down, although the 200 still moving up, but that is starting to roll. Again, we've got negative momentum, RSI at 39.17 and the MACD below zero, although I would say we could be trying to make an uptrend on the RSI, but to me the Aussie dollar looks vulnerable. We've got these support levels down here that look very vulnerable, with this 20 pressing down, and I would expect to fall below those supports. Looking at the support levels in the market, support from the 8th of September 86.68 and then 85.823, which is the 200-day, with the resistance from the 50-day 87.61 and the 20-day 88.44. So that's been TA for Traders, looking at the Aussie dollar against Japanese yen. The key takeaways from the video should be that the 200 week has created upside resistance. The daily and the 4 hour charts do look vulnerable. We've lost upside momentum. The 50-day moving average and the 20 from the 4 hour are both immediate negative influences on the market, and should we perhaps be expecting a drift down to the 85 level. Many thanks for watching the video. Please remember that these videos that I do on YouTube are for information only and they're not an investment recommendation. Please do read the disclaimer.